First thing, what are the requirements of this particular school? That's the reason I got to know what is the understanding, imagination what you have for the school. What I learned from this is, yes, there is a strong problem is there with respect to addressing the teacher problems with respect to the school curriculums. Not only the school, every school, isn't it? So first I should know what the audience wants to learn from this particular thing. That's important. Once we know, then we can able to think how we can able to teach and how we can frame learning objectives and learning outcomes first. Isn't it? So this is the first thing what we need to know, that if I'm going for a class, if I'm going for a class, if I'm going for a class, I should first know what are the expectations of the student from that particular content. For simple example, I'm going to teach matter in our surrounding for grade 9 standard chemistry student. I should know what I should be able to ensure that the student gets to know after the end of 40 minutes class. Student should know what is matter, what is non-matter, some examples of matter. Isn't it? So that's how it should be. Now, the challenges what we have in the present education system. What do you think? What are the challenges? We have so many challenges. We have so many challenges. Do we have challenges or no? We have challenges. The challenges are varieties of challenges, ranging from the traditional method of teaching, and now everybody says it's outdated now. If I'm bringing in TLM, teaching learning material, people don't say it's teaching learning material. Correct? What do you say for that? Learning aid. You call it as learning aid. The terms have changed. We cannot use the old term what we have used. And also the classroom methodology what we did. This is a constructivist class, not a behavioristic class. There was a behavioristic class where a teacher is well prepared with the content, delivers the content, ensures that yes, it's being transacted properly. My preparation is done, now conversed in the right way, yes, the work is done. That was the end of the day, satisfaction for the teacher. But whether the student has learned it or not, big question mark. That was the thing in the earlier days. That's called as behavioristic class. But now we are into constructivist class, wherein we take 5E model now. 5E. I also heard you have learned about 7E. 7E. So, but as of now, we just follow 5E model of writing the lesson plans. What does 5E stands for? Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, or expand, evaluate. These are the 5 components which we have: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, or expand, then evaluate. And we also have elucidation. Elucidation comes after also after the engagement, or it may come any time in between. We can elucidate any time the particular thing what we want. Right? So once we know this particular thing, like 5 model, so that means we need to come out of what the student already know. We need to find out. Then we need to teach them what they go through. Correct? So there's a big challenge, big task is on the teacher. So the problems with this particular thing is, students earlier they were very like they used to come to the class, holding the bag on their shoulder, come and sit, learn what the teacher says, write down what the teacher says, never question them. This is completely rote learning based, isn't it? But now it's not the case. So just find out what challenges we have listed. What are the challenges we have listed? Rote learning, unengaged, inefficient, exam oriented, not meeting to the 21st century.